Hi, Peanut. It's bath time for Peanut? Yeah? Hi there. Hi, Peanut. Are you taking a bath? Can I pet you? No. I can't pet you. You won't let me touch you. Can we try? You want to come see my hand? And then you can get a touch? No. Your sister doesn't mind, do ya? Here, T. You guys want to play, or are you just going to chill? It's really warm in here. I know. Whoa. What was that? Did you almost have a burp? Did you almost have a burp? Yeah? Do you want to try the feathers? Want to play with feathers? Look what I have. I'll show you. How's that? What is that? Want the end? That one's got duct tape too. I know, all my toys break and then I duct tape them. That's what I do. Want to play with this? Oh, whoa! Sorry. Look at your hand. Tila, you want to play? Is it a bird? Is it a bird? Hey, Peanut! We're not into play today, huh? How come nobody wants to play? Tila looks like she wants to play. There you go. Get yourself into it, girlfriend. It lost one of the feathers, so it's kind of like a wounded bird. Yeah, it broke. This toy gets a lot of use. Yeah, it gets a lot of use. There you go. There you go. Swat it down. You're a beast. Be a beast. What do you think? You don't know? Oh, you're gonna chew a wire? You don't have any teeth to chew a wire. What you guys doing? Tila, your eyes got so big. You want to try it, honey? Is it a wounded bird? It's a bird with only one feather. That's what it is. That'd be a wounded bird. Where'd it go? Oh, girl, Peanut. Here you go, Peanut. You can chew on the string. Hmm? What are you doing? Are you sitting on the feather? No. Come on over here, Tila, and play. Hi, sweet love. Hi. Peanut. Did you put your hand on the string? You did. Oh, I got it. You don't want this anymore? Okay, thank you. Oh, your tail's in the air, though. That's a good sign. Come on, Tila. Let's play. Yeah. Where is it? Oh, look how smart you are. I'm just gonna sniff it. Ladies. What you doing? Tila, you gotta get it. Oh, it's on you. The bird's gonna touch you. Hi. You guys are so beautiful. Hi, small little people. Small, tiny little people with 4 legs. Yep, you're just little people. Where are you going? Is that the only way I'm going to get you to move, kid? Oh, there you go. Do it again. Nope. Let's put it up here. Oh, now where is it? Is it on the table? Do you see it? Good girl. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, kid. Yeah. See? You can do it. You can do it. There you go. There you go. You help your sister out, Peanut? Oh, oh, sneezes. Don't throw up. It's time for you to have another piece of snacks. Do you want the rest of your snacks or are you finished? You're not a big eater today. I don't know why. How come you're not eating? Okay. We're done with play? We're just going to chill now for a little bit? Yeah, we can have quiet time. Unless Peanut wants to play. Oh, yes she does. Oh, yes. Where are you going? Okay. Thank you. Oh, you're going to snipe? Oh, she's doing the snipe. Are you going to sniper me? Peanut. There she is. Good job, Peanut. Yeah, you want to go in that cubby? Goof. Alright, I gotta post this because it's getting long. You alright, T? Okay, good job, everybody.